These effects and transitions will speed up your editing workflow and add a unique style to your videos. You can easily import them from the presets folder and use them with a simple drag and drop. No need to spend hours creating animations from scratch anymore. Whether you're editing music videos, sports edits, reels, TikToks, or short-form content, these presets help make your edits feel smoother, more dynamic, and more professional. One of the biggest advantages is the time they save. Instead of focusing on technical work, you can spend more time on creativity and storytelling. Just drop the effect onto your clip and instantly get a clean, polished result. The transitions are designed to keep the energy flowing, while the effects add extra movement and visual impact without making the edit feel overdone. They blend naturally into fast-paced content and help create a stronger vibe throughout the video. If you're looking to edit faster while making your videos look more engaging and modern, these presets are definitely worth adding to your workflow. A quick tip before using the transitions: make sure to create an 8-frame adjustment layer over your cut. Most of the transition presets are designed to work on adjustment layers, so this setup will give you the intended result. You'll also notice that different transitions work better for different situations. Some are perfect for beat drops and impact moments, while others are smoother and work great for storytelling or cinematic sequences. Don't be afraid to mix and match them depending on the mood of your edit. Another thing I really like about these presets is that they're easy to customize. You can change the duration, combine multiple effects together, or tweak certain settings to better fit your own style. That way, your edits still feel original instead of looking exactly like everyone else's. And if you're working on content regularly, those saved seconds start adding up.